You know, they always told us, drink more water, it's the healthiest thing you can do. And you believed it. You did it, you kept a bottle by your bed, you drank first thing in the morning, just like they said. But what if I told you that this innocent, healthy habit, the one we've all been taught, is actually working against your body now? What if the water you're drinking is silently causing your stomach to ache, your head to spin, or your heart to flutter? And most importantly, what if no one warned you? Dear friend, if you're over 60, 65, 70 or beyond, you need to hear this, because your body is different now. Your needs are wiser, gentler, and more refined. And today I'm going to share with you the 7 big mistakes seniors make when drinking water in the morning. Most people have no idea. But once you understand these, you will never look at your water glass the same way again. If this sounds like something you or someone you love needs to hear, then stay with me. Because what you're about to learn could be the reason why your mornings feel off, your energy feels low, and your body feels a little out of rhythm. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to hydrate in a way that heals, not harms. And if you care about your health, if you want more videos like this, please take a second to subscribe to our channel, click like, share this video with your friends, and leave a comment below. Let's grow together in wisdom and well-being. Let's begin. Why morning water is different after 60. We've all heard how water is life. And that's true. It nourishes our cells, flushes out toxins, supports digestion, and keeps our brain sharp. But here's what no one ever talks about: how your body's relationship with water changes with age. When you were 30 or 40, your organs were strong and adaptable. Your metabolism was fast. You could chug a glass of cold water and barely notice the impact. But after 60, everything changes. Your digestion slows down, your kidneys become more sensitive, your heart and blood pressure take longer to stabilize after sleep, and your hormones, they're shifting, recalibrating every single morning. So when you pour water into a system that's still waking up, how you do it really matters. So let's walk through the 7 biggest mistakes seniors make with morning hydration and how you can avoid them. Mistake 1. Drinking ice cold water first thing in the morning. Let me ask you this. Have you ever taken a gulp of cold water right after waking up, only to feel your stomach twist? Maybe you get a chill through your chest, or a sudden headache? You might think it's just a coincidence, but it's not. You see, after 7-8 hours of rest, your body is in a gentle healing state, your blood vessels are slightly constricted, your digestive system is slow, your muscles are relaxed. And then, bam, you pour freezing water into the system. This can cause a shock reaction, your stomach cramps, your blood vessels tighten, your heart rate might even flutter slightly. For older adults, this can throw your entire morning off. Your energy dips, your digestion slows, and you just don't feel right. Take Eleanor, for example. She's 76, active and sharp. She used to love cold water. It made her feel alert, but over time she noticed her mornings were becoming more uncomfortable, her hands were cold, her stomach was tight. After switching to room temperature water, everything changed. Her mornings became peaceful again. So, if you're using cold water as a wake-up shock, it's time to stop. Let your body greet the day gently. Go for room temperature or lukewarm water. Your body will thank you for it. Mistake 2. Drinking water too fast or in big gulps. You might think, I'll just drink my water quickly and get it over with. But here's the truth. Rushing your water can ruin your morning. When you gulp down a full glass in seconds, your stomach doesn't have time to adjust. Your body, still waking up, is suddenly flooded This causes bloating, nausea, even dizziness or heart palpitations in some people. Walter, a 72-year-old retired coach, thought he was being disciplined by drinking a full bottle of water as soon as he opened his eyes. But he'd feel dizzy, unsteady, like something wasn't right. Once he started sipping slowly, taking 15 to 20 minutes to finish his morning water, the dizziness disappeared. The lesson here? Your body wants a gentle stream, not a flood. Sit up, take a breath, sip your water slowly, let it awaken your body instead of overwhelming it. Hydration should feel calming, not forceful. Mistake 3. Reusing plastic bottles left out overnight. Now this one shocks most people. You might think it's harmless to keep a plastic bottle by your bed and take a sip in the morning, but the truth is that bottle could be leaching harmful chemicals into your water all night long. Plastic, especially older or cheaper ones, contains chemicals like BPA or similar toxins, and when plastic sits in a warm room or near a lamp or heater, those chemicals slowly seep into the water. These are called endocrine disruptors. They mess with your hormones, your mood, your metabolism. Stanley, 78, was doing everything right, or so he thought. He drank water every morning from the same bottle left on his nightstand, but he started feeling tired, had headaches, his digestion felt off. Turns out the bottle was the problem. Once he switched to a glass bottle and used fresh water each morning, he felt like himself again. So if you're still using an old plastic bottle or cup, it's time for a change. Upgrade to glass or stainless steel. Refill with clean, fresh water each morning. You deserve purity in what enters your body. Mistake for drinking too much water right after medication. This one is so common and so misunderstood. You wake up, take your morning pill and drink a full glass of water. Sounds healthy, right? Not always. Some medications need to be taken on an empty stomach. Some need food. Some don't need a whole glass. And pouring too much water too quickly, especially before food, can cause nausea, heartburn, or interfere with how your meds are absorbed. Margaret, 80, took her thyroid pill each morning with a full glass of water. Then she waited and had breakfast. But she started feeling nauseous every day. Her doctor couldn't find anything wrong until they looked at her hydration timing. She adjusted by sipping just enough water to swallow the pill and waiting 45 minutes before breakfast. The nausea vanished. So remember, meds plus water timing matters. Don't flood your stomach, give your body time, talk to your doctor or pharmacist. Fine-tune your routine. It makes a big difference. Be a mistake 5, skipping breakfast and just drinking water. Let's talk about something trendy, intermittent fasting, skipping breakfast, just having water or coffee until noon. It might sound clean, minimal, even useful. But if you're over 60, it could be harming you. Your body has already fasted overnight. That's 8 to 10 hours without food. And your brain, muscles, and metabolism need fuel to start the day. Just drinking water with no food can make you feel foggy, shaky, or moody. You may blame stress or poor sleep, but the real problem is you haven't eaten. Alice, 69, tried fasting in the mornings. First, she lost a little weight, but her memory got fuzzy. She repeated things. She felt anxious. Once she reintroduced a small breakfast, just a boiled egg and some fruit, her clarity returned. Her energy lifted. Water is vital. But water alone isn't enough. Pair it with something light, nourishing, oatmeal, yogurt, a smoothie, nuts. Give your body the foundation it needs to function. Mornings are not the time to starve your brain. Mistake 6: drinking of while still lying down in bed. It may feel convenient reaching over, grabbing your bottle and sipping before you even sit up, but drinking while still lying down can lead to acid reflux, indigestion, or even choking. Your esophagus isn't designed to handle fluids in that position. Hydration should be a ritual of presence, not a sleepy reflex. Sit up, take a deep breath, feel the moment, then sip your water with mindfulness. This small shift in posture can improve your digestion, reduce risk of reflux, and create a sense of calm and control. It's not just about what you do, it's how you do it. Mistake 7: not listening to your body's signals. This is perhaps the most important one. Many of us drink water because we feel we should. We follow a rule: 8 glasses, first thing in the morning, chuck it down, and forget to listen to the body. But hydration is not about rules, it's about intuition. If your body feels bloated, heavy, or dizzy after water, pause. Adjust. Don't force yourself to drink more than you need. Everyone's body is different. Some may thrive with water first thing, others need to eat first. Some feel great after 1 cup, others feel better with half. Trust your body. It has carried you through decades of storms and seasons. It knows what it needs. Your job now is to listen. Gently, kindly, patiently. Isn't it amazing? Something as simple as water, something we've consumed all our lives, can feel so different now. Not because water changed, but because we did. Your body now asks for gentleness. It asks you to move slower, listen more, honor the small details. And when you start responding to that call, everything begins to shift. You feel more energized, clearer, stronger. So tomorrow morning, maybe you'll do something different. Maybe you'll skip the ice and choose warmth. Maybe you'll sip instead of gulp. Maybe you'll toss the plastic and grab a glass. Or maybe you'll pair your water with breakfast and nourish your day from the start. Whatever you choose, remember this: you deserve to feel good in your body. You deserve mornings that support your strengths, and the smallest change can make the biggest difference. If anything in this video resonated with you, if it made you reflect on your own routine, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a like, share it with a loved one who might be struggling in silence, and leave a comment below. Let's build a community where wisdom is shared, health is honored, and aging is celebrated. Together. Thank you for being here. I see you in the next video.